Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying your controller model and ensuring it supports customizable LEDs. Not every Xbox controller has RGB. Once done, install the Xbox Accessories app on Windows or a trusted third-party lighting tool. Connect the controller via USB-C for full feature access or Bluetooth if USB is unavailable, and make sure the battery is at least 20% so settings save reliably. Grant any required permissions in the app. This sets the stage so you can change colors rather than just view them. Now you dive into the app's lighting controls. Pick a mode such as static color, color cycle, or reactive lighting tied to inputs. Use the picker, hex code, or sliders to dial in exact hues, and then set brightness and transition speed so the effect fits your environment. Make sure you assign the chosen scheme to a profile or directly to button zones if the app supports zoning. Preview changes in real time if zones aren't responding. Switch connection to USB for a fuller control path. To finish, save the profile to the controller's onboard memory so settings persist across consoles and sessions. Test the new colors during gameplay and while idle to confirm brightness and behavior, and then power cycle the controller to verify persistence. If the colors don't apply, update your controller firmware, repair it to the PC or console, and try a different USB cable. These steps fix most communication or power issues. Keep a backup profile for quick restoration if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.